How to change pickup time on Uber. If you're trying to change your pickup time on Uber, first open up the app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And on your home screen, you'll find rides and eats options. So if you have booked any ride, it will be on your activity. And in order to find your activity, at the bottom you can find different options like services, activity, and account. First, head over to your account and then from here, you can have different options right here. Just click on your activity right below your profile picture, and then you'll be taken to your app activity. If you have planned any upcoming trips, your that will be shown right here on upcoming, and you could reserve a trip right here. So if you've done that, you will have an option to change time. So you don't have to wait for extra time and you could just go ahead and book your ride for a peace of mind. Now you'll find the change time option there. Just tap on it to edit. And it should look something like this where you are able to change your date and time. And then you could just tap on set. Now your pickup time will be changed on your reserved ride. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.